Just received a viral vacuum cleaner from TikTok shop, and we're gonna test it. It's in color white. Hopefully we'll love it. So I'm gonna let it charge, and then we're gonna test it, and I will let you know. Okay, so let's test it. So this is my Dyson that's actually dead right now. It's not working. And this one is a lot lighter than my Dyson, and it works great. It's very smooth. Almost feels like it doesn't vacuum, but it actually vacuums well. So yeah, I got it for $89. It was on flash sale, I think. Yeah, I totally recommend. I think it's very nice. I'm not sure about the battery life. We shall see. But I love it.